Apparently there was a murder in the house. And so I don't know if that was just their relationship or what. And so, Diego, how does that kind of work in Texas for when we eventually go to resell? Like,
So as a realtor, I would
There we
have to
go.
disclose that somebody died.
even though it wasn't when we owned the property?
I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure because you're aware.
Okay.
If you weren't aware, then you don't have to disclose. Well,
I didn't hear nothing, Rosa. I didn't hear
It was
shit.
Billy.
it was Billy.
Billy
Yeah.
out there
Billy
doing
heard
stuff.
about it.
Billy
Billy heard
died or Billy killed?
Hey, Diego.
No, so from that perspective, if you know that that person, I don't. So that really depends on each state.
I can tell you what it is in Tennessee. In Tennessee, only the first person thereof. So, for example, if someone died and I own the property, then I have to say something to the buyer. Going forward, the buyer does not have to disclose going past that.
Mhm.
I don't know Texas though.
Yeah, I
Guys
don't.
shoot first, ask questions later, so I don't know.
Hey,
Billy,
Diego.
do you know?
Yeah, if the house causes the death, like a stairwell falls or something falls in the house and it causes the death, but not a person dying in there outside of the house causing the death.
Okay.
Well, but if there's a murder does have to be disclosed. If it's a natural death, then it doesn't.
I mean, he said shot and killed, so maybe it was
Yeah.
assault. I don't know. But
Now, if Rosa is not a real estate agent, she doesn't have to say anything.
No, she has no fiduciary duty to the
He
buyer.
has no. Yeah, I mean.
Okay.
All right, sorry. Anton, go. Rosa, does that answer your question? Sorry.
it does. Thank you. Thanks, everyone.